Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
फिल्टर लगा रखा है
Children, hurry up.
वो उसमें कर रहा है ना फिल्टर लगा दिया नीचे
Put your audios off. Audios off. Videos on. Audios off. Videos on. Audios off. Don't make such sounds. Hurry up, children. बच्चे जल्दी करो बेटा. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Where did we leave last time? Exercise 2.5.
0.5. Now we'll start exercise 2.6.
No, anybody has any query 2.5? Let me just ask that first.
Ma'am, we
Ma'am,
have
no.
left with question number 10.
Question number 10, I myself wanted to do with you, but I find it a little difficult, so I'll do with you.
Ma'am, no, but it is easy.
मैम उसमें कुछ नहीं है, बस पॉइंट्स का है.
मैम बस पॉइंट्स का और कुछ नहीं है.
Do not start talking like this. I think I have to take control of the people. You'll all start talking like this. Class get disturbed. Yeah. You will only speak when I want. I'll just unmute the child. Hurry up, children, hurry up. I can see 26 participants. Once we are thorough with how to solve equations, we'll start with forming equations. When I start with forming equation, you all are supposed to copy down the word problems in your notebook before the class. Am I clear? Put your videos on. This way class can't go. I'll just take off, call off. I'll just call off. Class can't go this way. If I am talking to you, I want to see you people, as simple as this. Raghav, Lakshit, Prabnoor, Sneha, Jaskirat, Ravi, Aman, Laksh, Kanak, Nija, Ragini, Reyansh, Mokshika, Sakshi, Akib, Sohan. Asad. Hurry up, beta. Bhavya has joined. Bhavya. Sneha, Jaskirat, Ravit, Aman, Reyan, Sakshi, Sohan, Asad, Divesh. From tomorrow, I'll bring out my attendance sheet also. I'm going to mark you here only. You are putting your videos off because you people are not are ready for the class. I want you people to be ready like I am ready for you people. You all need to be ready. Get up early in the morning, do exercises, take your bath, then sit in for the class. You need to look fresh and active. Neha, Ravit, Aman, Kanak, Nija, you have not heard? Pranav, Sakshi, Raghav, Laksh, Somita, Hardik. Should I start my class? Always daily 5 minutes goes in just calling you people in, making you people inside. Who are the two? Ansh, Bhavya Sethi is not able to connect. I have admitted him for so long. Is not able to connect. I can't help it then. I have admitted him, but he's not able to join. You need to be faster, children. I'll do the last question of 2.5. Then I will start with 2.6. Two parts of 2.6 I'm going to do with you. And afterwards, I'm going to start with word problems. And I told you before coming for the class for word problems, keep word problems noted in your copies. Am I clear? If anybody has query, he or she can raise a hand. Sweetie, baat samajh aayi beta? Sweetie?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you will be noting down when you come to the class. Before coming to the class, questions को copy करके लाएंगे और space छोड़ के, leave the space for solution. Copy the question. सक्षम बोलो.
मैम
सक्षम
मुझे
बोलो.
बोलना है मैम हाँ मैम की वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स 2.2 वाली या 2.4 वाली?
पहले 2.2 करेंगे ना बेटा. 2.2 से start करेंगे.
Okay.
When I'll be doing word problems, my more stress will be on framing of equations. Solving I have taught you. Once you all learn how to frame equation, you all will be able to solve on your own easily. Okay, children?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let me just start the class. I can't wait for so long. I have to start the class. I'll adjust my camera. How many children are there? 28. Yes, there is no other option. You people are not coming. What to do? Bhavya is not able to join. Bhavya join नहीं कर पा रहा है. I can't help it. Okay, somebody is writing. I can't look at WhatsApp right at this moment. Every time I tell you, I have to focus in my class. मुझे मेरा पूरा focus class में ही चाहिए. As you people are busy with 2-3 things, I cannot. It's of no use if you are busy with 2-3 things and you're not focusing on anything. Please, I want 100% focus of every child in my class. I hope I am clear. I'll change the view. Just check that you all are able to see the board. You all are able to see the board. Yes, I'll start with 2.5. Last question. 2.5 last question. Tenth part. Question number 10. Question number 10 says 0.25. See, children are coming so late. Bracket 4f minus 3 is equal to 0.05 bracket 10f minus 9. Now somebody will tell me what is the variable here. Saksham, what is the variable here?
Ma'am, F.
F. Very good. Dave, any query?
Ma'am, first step.
मुझे आंसर
Ma'am,
को
can I tell the
step
first step?
बताना था.
Saksham, put your video off. Dave, any query? You raise the hand.
मैम मुझे नो मैम मुझे फर्स्ट स्टेप बताना था.
Okay, very good. How should we proceed?
Ma'am, first we will open the bracket and write 0.25 into 4 into f minus 0.25 into 3 is equal to 0.05 into 10 into f minus 0.05 into 9.
Dave, put your audio off. Divyansh wanted to tell something. Divyansh, you raise the hand. Divyansh, you raise the hand. Divyansh, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Haji, bolo. You wanted to say something? You wanted to say something?
मैम मेरे को बस वही वेरिएबल वाला बताना था.
Oh, variable is f. Variable is f here. Variable is f here. Put your hands down, children. Put your hands down. Baba is not able to join. I can't help it. I have admitted him many times. What happened? Why? How come I can see two Babayas? You joined with two gadgets? Babay, have you joined with two gadgets? Where is Bhavya? Akib has some query. Akib. Haji Akib बोलो.
मैम मुझे आंसर बताना था.
Wait. What will you get if you multiply 0.25 into 4? What do you get when you multiply 0.25 into 4?
1f.
1f. Then 0.25 into 3.
0.75.
Very good. Let somebody else answer the next part. Nisha, when I multiply 0.05 into 10, what do I get?
0.5.
0.5f. And when I multiply 0.05 into 9, what do I get?
0.45.
Akib, put your hand down. Akib, put your hand down. 0.45. See, the question seemed to be difficult. Now you can see it is not at all difficult. I will shift all variable terms one side like this and constant term one side. Just keep in mind of the sign. Take care, you are shifting the terms with the correct sign. Now, what is 1 minus 0.5?
0.5.
Audio. You not only answer. I want everybody to answer. Asal.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer? subtract 0.
मैम 0.30
No, 0.5 F. Here it is 0.30. This side is 0.30. Now again I am going to shift. 0.5 right side, because it is multiplication will go in division. Now how do I eradicate with this? Just get rid of this. Do you all remember how to remove decimals? Children, do you remember how to remove decimals? You can show by thumb that you know it or not. Do you know how to remove decimals? Yes, you all know. Let's see what will happen here. I'll get 3/5. But the answer should be given in decimals because the question was in decimal. So what will you get when you divide 3/5? Somebody will answer me. Let me just see. Pranav Singhal.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Sneha bolo.
Ma'am, 0.6.
0.6. Very good. 0.6. Yes, children. Have you all copied down? Any query from anybody? He or she can raise hand if anybody has query. If anybody
Yes,
has
ma'am,
query,
Ma'am, I have a query.
who is this? Sohan bolo.
No, ma'am, Dev.
सोहन जल्दी बोलो. देव बोलो.
Ma'am, आप
सोहन नहीं, देव you had some query ना. देव बोलो बेटा.
मैम आपने into 10/100 क्यों करा?
I removed this decimal. I put 100 in the denominator. I removed this decimal. I put 10 in numerator. How to remove decimals? We remove this way only. There were 2 terms after decimal. We put 100 here. There was 1 term after decimal. I put 10 above. Okay. Hardik has some query. Hardik bolo. Hardik.
मैम मैंने ये दूसरी तरीके से किया है मैम. ये स्क्रीन पर
कैसे किया? आपने कटिंग दूसरे तरीके से की है. कटिंग दूसरे तरीके से की है.
मैम मैम
तरीके से किया बेटा.
मैम की पहले मैम आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. हाँ मैम पहले वो 0 मैम 0.25 और वाली साइड में मैम 0.05 को किया. फिर दोनों डिवाइड हो गए तो मैम 5 बचा. 5 इंटू कर दिया 4f - 3.
That is also fine, but that can be possible only if this number has the whole bracket, nothing more term is there. In case we have +6 here, we cannot do it. Outside the bracket, if we have one more term, we cannot do that. Hardik, that you have to keep in mind that. समझ आई बेटा बात? अगर ब्रैकेट के अलावा कुछ और यहाँ पर होता, ब्रैकेट के बाहर, तब हम शिफ्टिंग नहीं कर सकते हैं वैसे. Because we had one term, one bracket, one term, one bracket. That time only we can shift this 0.05 here. Otherwise not. Am I clear, Hardik? Hardik, am I clear? Say yes or no.
Yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. Now can I move to the next question? Exercise 2.6. Can I start with exercise 2.6?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll do 2 parts of 2.6. The questions are, every question is of different type. Here, again, the question is not given in linear equation. Direct equation is not given. How we proceed here is, we shift this 3x this side. We shift this 3x this side Because it is in division, it will go in multiplication.
2 into 3 हो जाएगा.
Yeah, the first step is to bring this complex equation or which is not reducible. We have to reduce it to simplest form. First step is this, that I have to bring it to the lowest, simplest form. What will happen? 8x minus 3 is equal to 6x. Now I am going to shift this 6x. Now the question is very easy. Everybody, every child of my class can solve. Every child of my class can solve. So you can say x upon 3, x is equal to 3 upon 2 is the solution of this equation. I hope everybody finds it easy now. You all can raise your hand. I'll ask in case you have any query. Akul, any query? Akul, any query?
No, ma'am.
You find it easy, Divyansh? Divyansh?
मैम आपने माइनस नहीं लगाया. मैम
Where minus? There is no
मैम
minus.
-3.
No, when it is shifted this side, sign will change.
ओके मैम.
Correct?
ओके मैम. ओके मैम.
Now let me do few more parts. I wanted to do few more parts of 2.6. If you have done, I can move to the next part. If everybody has done, Ravit, 100 times I have told you people to put your videos on. I don't know whether Ravit is sitting there or not. Ravit, I will remove you like this. If you will behave like this, children, I am going to start and remove you people. Ravit, I have asked you a question and you're not answering. Riyansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Riyansh, any query, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Any query?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. I'm doing third part. Can I start third part, children? You can show by thumb that we
Yes,
can start. Swamita, can I start third part? Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Third part says z upon z plus 15 is equal to 4 upon 9. You must have observed that every question when I go to the next one, complexity is more. Complexity is more. Now, somebody will test me. How should we go here? If anybody knows.
मैम कैन आई टेल.
Saksham bolo.
मैम जो 3 + 3 मैम जो नीचे है ना अपॉन में z प्लस 15.
हाँ जी.
मैम उसको हम राइट साइड में ले आएंगे. वो मल्टीप्लाई में चेंज हो जाएगा. 4 upon में 9 multiplied by 3 z plus 15.
I'll tell you another way. It's much easier. I'll shift both denominators. I'll shift to their sides. 9 will be shifted in LHS. Z plus 15 will be shifted in RHS. Okay. What will happen next? Because it is in division. It will go in multiplication. 9 into Z and 4 into Z plus 15. Now I hope each child of my class can solve it.
ये क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन के टाइप है.
And you make the cross multiplication. Now solve it yourself. Everybody will start
कर
solving
लिया solve.
it yourself. Prabnoor bolo.
Ma'am, can I tell the next step?
Bolo.
Ma'am, 9z minus 4z is equal to 60.
Haji.
Z is equal to 60.
Put your audios
The
off.
next step.
Others, if Prabnoor is speaking, others will have to keep their audios off. Otherwise, I won't be able to hear Prabnoor.
Answer is equal z is equal to 12.
This way, see, as soon as I give you control to speak, you all keep your audios off. That's why no, nothing is audible. Nothing is audible that way. Lakshit. Lakshit.
Ma'am, yes.
हाँ जी बोलो क्या आंसर है? What should I do next? What should I do next?
मैम क्या ना
नहीं, लक्षित will speak.
वो आपकी स्क्रीन नहीं दिखाई देती, आप देखो, हम दिख गई। मैम आप 9z और 4z को माइनस करोगे,
Okay.
हाँ माइनस ही होगा।
9 minus 4.
मैम
What is 9 minus 4? What is 9 minus 4?
5.
5.
मैम 5z
मैम 5z, देन मैम आप z को इधर छोड़ के फिर आप 66 से डिवाइड कर दोगे।
Very good. Lakshit has understood. Very good. So we get z is equal to, we get, see, to see the board clearly, you have to pin my window. When you pin my window, you will only see my screen. There are 3 dots at the corner. If you pin my window, you'll get the whole screen on your screen. My board will be on your whole screen. I hope till now you all have learned all this. I have to do one more part. I planned today that I will also teach you word problems. But word problems, I don't think whether we'll be able to start or not. But let me just finish at least this 2.6 solution part. I'll do one more part. If you have done this, can I go to the next part? Answer me please, children. Can I do the next part?
yes
Yes,
ma'am
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, part 5th.
Please prepare yourself. Please keep on preparing, practicing whatever we have taught till now. I'm going to test.
मैम आपकी स्क्रीन हट गई।
Akib,
यस मैम
any query? Any query?
मैम ये क्वेश्चन 5 है कि क्वेश्चन 1 का 5th पार्ट है?
5 part है, 5th question नहीं है, 5th question. There is no one part, one question. There is one. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did not write any time part. I always said part number 5, part number 2, part number 2 like this. You don't have PDF with you, Akib?
मैम क्या?
PDF नहीं है आपके पास बुक की?
मैम किसकी वीडियो?
PDF बुक है आपके पास?
मैम बुक है मेरे पास।
तो फिर why are you asking this? Now again I'm going to cross multiply. Take this 3 in LHS and this 5 plus 2 in RHS.
Ma'am,
हाँ
ma'am,
जी
I have
बोलो.
got the answer. Y equal to 4/5.
Wait. Let me solve. Can I write like the answer like this? Whether you are the way you are answering. I have to teach. Anybody has any query in this step? Solve it further, children. Solve it further. अपने आप solve करो. Let me know the answers from you people.
मैम solved, can I tell?
No, Prabhu, रुक जाओ तुम. You are always eager to know. You can tell, but you don't. You are always in a hurry, unnecessarily. Ravit, are you here in the class?
मैम बोर्ड क्लियर नहीं दिख रहा।
बोर्ड क्लियर इसलिए नहीं दिख रहा है क्योंकि आपने सबने फिर वापस से वीडियो ऑडियोज ऑन कर लिए हैं। रवित, सोहन, देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम इन योर इंटरनेट बेटा, देयर इज सम प्रॉब्लम इन योर इंटरनेट।
मैम आप स्टेप बता दो, मैं लिख लूंगा।
ओके, इट इज 21y plus 12 is equal to -4y minus 8. What should be the next step? What should be the next step?
वाला जो 3 लिख रहा है। Can I
3 into 7 plus 5, 7y plus 4 is equal to -4 into y plus 2. Now I am going to shift like this. What is 21 plus 4? Riyansh. What is 21 plus 4? Riyansh,
21 plus 25y. 25y.
What will come in RHS?
Ma'am, can I take
Minus 20.
minus 20?
Let me ask everybody. Everybody should get a chance. Riyansh is telling. Riyansh, go beta.
Minus 20.
Very good. So, one more thing. Somebody asked me last time also that we have to express the answer in lowest form. The answer is yes. Always express your answer in lowest form. I have to. Now this will go by 5. That is minus 4 upon 5. Are you all getting the same answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Very good. So it means my children have understood how to solve any type of equation you get. My children have understood how to solve any kind of equation. Children
Yes,
say yes or
ma'am.
no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Riyansh, put your audio off. Riyansh, put your audio off. Very good. I still wanted, if I can help you in framing equation of few questions. Maybe 1 or 2. Can I change the view? Can I change the view?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm changing the view.
बस आज इतनी पढ़ाई हो रही है
क्या थोड़े आगे?
मैम इतनी पढ़ाई होगी कि अभी और भी करवा रहे हो
तो जल्दी है वो कहीं जाने की? तो जल्दी है?
मैम नहीं
मैंने तो बोला है ना अभी I will teach you how to frame equations. So I started with 2.2, but from next time we will come to the class with noting down the questions. Questions copy करके लाएंगे. Equations यहाँ पे बनाएंगे, हम frame करेंगे और आप solve करेंगे. Am I clear, children? Today I am starting with few questions. You will see a screen on your white screen on your screen where you can see the questions. Can you see the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am going to frame some of the equations. Look here carefully. First question says if you subtract half from a number and multiply the result by 1/2. Here my stress will be only on framing the equation. Solve आप लोग खुद ही करेंगे. You will solve yourself. Let the number be, you can choose any variable. Suppose I chose, normally we choose x. Let the number be x. And according to question, the equation framed, they are saying subtract half. Subtract half from a number. It means I have to subtract half from this number. Is there anybody has any query? Then I have to multiply this subtracted part by half again, and the answer will come out 1/8. This is going to be the equation of this question. Is there anybody in the class who has query? Raise your hand. Anybody in the class has any query? Please raise your hand.
मैम ये अभी नोट
मैम हमें
करना है
क्वेश्चन भी लिखना
है बेटा?
मैम solved.
हाँ, solve
हमें
खुद
क्वेश्चन भी
करके.
लिखना है
Man will only
मैम solve
teach.
कर लिया.
Man will only teach you how to frame equation. That is the most important part here. Solving part we have already done a lot. So the whole class of all the children of my class should be able to solve. इसको आप ऐसे 1/2 में लिखोगे, आप फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में लिखोगे, आप फ्रैक्शनल फॉर्म में लिखोगे, आप प्राची now class is about to finish.
मैम हमें क्वेश्चन भी लिखना है
Obviously आज तो आप घर पे बाद में लिख लेना, अभी आप सॉल्यूशन लिख लो, क्वेश्चन की जगह छोड़ दो. नेक्स्ट टाइम से क्वेश्चंस कॉपी, आके आपको बात शायद देर से समझ आती है, हमेशा लास्ट में बोलते हो। क्वेश्चंस कॉपी करके ही लाओगे नेक्स्ट टाइम से। नेक्स्ट टाइम से क्वेश्चन कॉपी करके लाओगे। फ्रेमिंग ऑफ इक्वेशन विल बी डन हियर एंड सॉल्विंग विल बी डन बाय यू पीपल। सॉल्व आप लोग खुद ही करेंगे। I want to do one more part. Look carefully. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. Its length is 2 meter more than its breadth. Somebody will tell me. I am asking you one question. Is the length dependent on breadth? Is the length dependent on breadth? Say yes or no.
Yes.
Length is depending on breadth. So how should I proceed? How should I proceed? I have to take breadth as x meter.
Ma'am, can I tell?
हाँ बोलो.
Ma'am, breadth will be x meter, then length will be x plus 2 meter.
Very good. Length will be, we are saying length is, no, 2 more than twice its breadth. It's not 2x, no.
2x plus 2, ma'am, sorry, 2x plus 2
2x
meter.
plus 2. It's 2x plus 2 meter. Now, once you know length and breadth, once put your audios off, children. I'm getting disturbance from the back. Put your audios off. Now, once you know length and breadth, you know how to write perimeter. According to question, perimeter is equal to, what is the perimeter given? आपके perimeter कितना दिया है? Akib, now Akib is not saying, speaking anything. Has he left? Akib, Nija, perimeter कितना दिया है?
मैम क्या पूछ रहे थे?
Perimeter कितना दिया है?
154 मीटर.
हाँ जी. What is the formula for perimeter?
L क्या? पेरीमीटर
What
का
is the
फॉर्मूला?
formula for perimeter?
मैम पूरे रेक्टेंगल का फॉर्मूला होता है ना?
2 into length plus breadth.
मैम वो तो पूरे रेक्टेंगल.
Like this, please raise your hand only, or you tell me what who is answering. Akib ji, you don't remember the formula of perimeter? You don't remember
Ma'am,
the formula of perimeter?
with L plus B.
2L plus B. So I have written 2 bracket L plus B is equal to 154. You have
मैम
to
ये
solve.
कॉपी में किया था.
और कहाँ करोगे बेटा? हम कहीं और लिख सकते हैं कॉपी के अलावा? Can we write somewhere else?
मैं रफ में कर
Can I
रहा
tell
था.
the next step?
No. I hope after this every child of my class can solve. What I feel every
Can I
child.
solve?
हाँ जी बताओ क्या आया X?
Ma'am,
What do you
मैम
get
मेरी
X?
ब्रेथ 25 है. मैम 25 ब्रेथ है और लेंथ 52 है.
Very good. 25 is the breadth and length is 52. You will be solving further on your own. I want you people to practice the solution part yourself. With me in the class, you will be only framing equations. Next time आने से पहले याद रखेंगे. Next time आने से पहले याद रखेंगे कि questions को copy करके लाएंगे. Till 10th part, 10th question, everybody should copy the question before coming to the class. Did you find the class fruitful? समझ आया आपको क्लास में?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.